Hello. Today, actually, we have started this concept of continuity and differentiability earlier, and we have discussed some definitions of continuity before. But I think that students were not aware fully about continuity, so I decided to take one more topic and to record the video lecture regarding this. So I have taken two functions here that we have already studied. One is f of x. This f of x, it has three branches actually. One is f of x equal to x when your x is greater than 0. And it is f of x equal to 0 when your x is 0. This is f of x equal to minus x when x is less than 0. Now, what are these three branches? I have actually drawn the curves. This is your x-axis, or I may say the domain axis, the domain x, where you put the values of x. Now this is your codomain axis. This is your this is your codomain axis. In fact, the y-axis, where you put the values of y or the f of x, the range values, right? Similarly, this is for f of x. Now here I have written, this is actually, let me tell you what, one more function that I have considered is g of x equal to x when your x is greater than 0. This is 0 when x is 0. Wait a second. So this is actually 0, and this is 1 when your x is less than 0. So these two functions, f of x and g of x, they actually look like similar things, similar graphs, but they are not similar. You see the third part of both the curves, that's totally different. See here, in this very case, it is in f of x, it is minus x when x is less than 0, and it's 1 when x is less than 0. So the graphs are totally entirely different. You see f of x equal to x, it has three branches, one for x greater than 0. Let me this one branch, this is another point, the point here that I am mentioning here. Now the third is f of x equal to minus x. Now for g, this is not f of x, in fact this is g of x. This is g of x and this is g of x. So it has also three branches, one for x greater than 0 when your x is positive on this axis, one for x less than 0 when it's their values is 1, and one x equal to 0. So if I have to go from the point A to the point B, in the first graph, then I would like to go along the path, and I don't have to remove off the pen from the desk or from the paper. So I would straightly go here, although there is a sharp edge at x equal to 0, but I can reach at the point of destination along the path. But in case of second graph, suppose I wish to go from point A to point B. So I can, for point A up to 0, I can go along the path. Now from 0, I have to jump from here, and then I have to go to point B. So this jump indicates the point of discontinuity, where the function is not continuous, right? So it has a jump at x equal to 0. At x equal to 0, it has a point. So we discuss the continuity on the domain points. But my question is now, let me write the question. My question is simple, very simple question. What if I exclude the point x equal to 0 from the domain of G? इस मेरे कहने का मतलब ये है, जो ये x equal to 0 है, जी वाले ग्राफ में जहां पे मुझे जंप करना पड़ रहा है, अगर मैं उसी को ही बाहर निकालूं, क्या ये फंक्शन कंटिन्यूअस रहेगी या नहीं? दैट इज व्हाट आई मीन टू से. So this is very important. So I would like to highlight it. Yes, wait a second. So I will. So